Hi my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna start by applying some foundation, which is this PSE foundation and NYX foundation on my face, and then I'm gonna blend that all out. So once I blend that all out, you can see my dark circles, my pigmentation and all that. For that I got it covered. We're gonna use this two palettes from MAC, which is in medium and dark, and I'm going to use the darkest shade from the palette to contour. And what we're doing is actually clown contouring. Now clown contouring is basically applying all the highlighters and the contours onto your face, and then you blend that all out. So I'm applying this darker shade only on those areas where I need that darkness, or basically I need to contour my face. And then using this orange color corrector on my under eye area, which is the step I always do. So once I finish correcting my face, I'm going to apply the lightest shade from the palette and going to apply it onto all those areas where I want to highlight. I'm basically applying it on the center of my face, and then using a nice fuchsia pink lipstick onto the apples of my cheeks, and then grabbing my beauty blender, I'm gonna, yes, I look funny, and then I'm just gonna blend that all out. Now you just need to blend in bouncing motions and just, make it look flawless as much as possible. So this is how it looks when it's done. So you can see my contours, my blush and everything, and then just using a powder to set that all out, and then a darker shade of a powder to set my contour and warm up my face. And then using this Galifornia blush by Benefit and applying it onto the apples of my cheeks. And then using my Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered, I'm using a lighter pink shade onto my crease area and the darker pink shade on my eyelid. And then using this Fenty Beauty highlighter, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone area in corners in a way to match onto the center of my nose and its bridge. I'm also going to use this to highlight my cheekbones, my chin, and then I'm just going to do off my eyebrows using my Benefit Precisely my brow pencil, some eyeliner, mascara, and then going back with the highlighter on my cupid's bow, a way to match on my lip line. And then using this Mishti lipstick onto the center of my lips, and this My Glam lipstick to outline my lips. This is a very lightest shade actually, and with this we are done. So kind of transform myself into a Korean. So this is it. I hope you'll like this look. If you like it, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.